Today we're going to be learning about the breaking up the dividend model from chapter 3.5. This model is very fun and interesting as it includes a little bit of mental math with some visual work. So we're going to go ahead and get started. So I went ahead and wrote down the problem to save us some time and for you all to go ahead and be able to see it ahead of time. And right away you can see that we're going to have to divide 9 into 6,327. That alone is a big number. It can be a little bit overwhelming at times. So I'm going to show you how to do the break up the dividend model with this problem. So we're going to go ahead and start over here. Our 9 is going to be our divisor. And our large number is going to be our dividend. Let me go ahead and switch pens real quick. So let me go ahead and write down the problem. We're going to start with 9. We're going to write it as a traditional division problem. 6,327. It's going to be our numbers. Notice I left some space in the middle, and that's where the breaking up is going to come in. So it's easier to work with a 2-digit number versus a 4-digit number, correct? So we're going to go ahead and show how we're going to break up the dividend, let's break up the dividend as the title indicates. So we went from 6,327 to 63 and 27. These two numbers are a lot smaller, a lot easier to work with. So the mental math part is going to come in when we do the division, which is going to be 9 divided by 63, correct? So this number, we have to remember, it's in the thousands place, so we have to carry the 2 zeros with us in place of the 27. But remember, zeros are easier to work with. You can bring them over, drop them, won't change the problem entirely. So we're going to go ahead and pretend they're not there. So we're going to work with 63. So 9 divided by 63 is going to be 7. 9 goes into 63 7 times. So we're going to go ahead and bring the 7 over and the 2 zeros. Keep it in place value form. Put a little plus sign. And then we're going to go ahead and start working with 9 divided by 27. And again, it's a lot smaller to work with. And if you can see, remember, we're talking about place value with the zeros. Since this 27 is at the end, the 7, there's nothing after it. It's in the ones place. We don't have to bring the zeros over. So we're going to go in and go ahead and start with the 9 into 27, which goes into it 3 times. So with that being said, we're going to bring the 3 over. And remember, we're going to go ahead and add this at the top. So it's going to be 700 plus 3, which is going to give us 703. Remember, because this is already in the ones place. So we're going to bring the 3 over. So our answer is going to be 703.